That's simply just stick the blades down into the water to stop the boat, all right? A backstroke, back it down, whatever. How many ever strokes they ask for, just reach back, give me your stroke. You know, 4 of them. 1, 2, you guys got it, all right? Last thing is called blades on the water. This is a stability command. It's a brace. If kayakers know this as a brace, everybody else is just going to stick the paddles out on the water, keep our outside elbows stiff on it, so if we start rocking, we're splashing the paddles in the water. We're just trying to extend the beams of the boat. All right? Any questions so far? Wow.